Jones. See you later, Billy Bob. Well, Looney Bird, it sure has been a busy day.
I know, Billy Bob. There's scooping gas sticking inside like cupcakes.
You're right there, Looney Bird. You know, you gotta go down and check and see how much we got before any more customers come in, okay?
Boy, you said it right away, Billy Bob.
You know, me and the Looney Bird feel that we owe it to America to come up with some form of alternative fuel. You know, with the price of gas the way it is and all, you know, it's really important for everybody to do their part and do what they can to sort of help America come by with another fuel source. And that's why we invented Goofy Gas. It's all natural, and it's made from fresh corn squeezins, and we make it right here at Smitty's Super Service Station. And every Tuesday here at Smitty's Super Service Station, it's Goofy Gas Day. And you know what that means, don't you? That means you get a tank full free with a fill up. Right, Looney Bird?
Right, Billy Bob.
So do your part to help your country's energy problems. And come into Smitty's Super Service Station and try a tank full of Goofy Gas. It's only 59 cents a gallon.
Yeah, $4.